Hello children, welcome to online classes of St. Joseph's Academy. This video is for class 1. This is your English Mulberry class. I am your English teacher Sneha. We are going to study chapter 3, The Old Man and His Sons. This is part 1 of this chapter. In this video, we are going to read the chapter and understand it. Let's start today's class. Chapter 3, The Old Man and His Sons. Children, before we start the chapter, let us do one activity. What do you say after you fight with someone? Take the correct answer below. Children, all of you might have studied whenever you fight with someone, what should you say after you fight with them? Should you say thank you, sorry, or goodbye? Children, we know we should say sorry to others when we fight with them. So the correct answer is sorry. Put a tick right against sorry. Now let us read a story about an old man who gives a wonderful lesson to his sons. Now we are going to read the story. This story is about an old man whose sons kept fighting with each other, and he gave a wonderful lesson to all of them. Children, please pay attention. An old man had 3 sons. They did not love one another. They kept fighting all the time. This made the old man very sad. So children, this old man had 3 sons, and all of them kept fighting all the time. They did not love one another. This made the old man very sad. Children, whenever you fight with your siblings, your brothers or sisters, your parents also do not feel good. They feel sad. So you should not fight with them. The same way, old man also felt very bad and he was very sad. One day, the old man called his sons. He brought a bundle of sticks. He said, "Here is a bundle of sticks. Break the bundle." Children, when the old man saw that his sons kept fighting all the time, he thought of an idea. He called his sons and brought a bundle of sticks. He asked his sons to break the bundle of sticks. Each of the sons tried to break the bundle, but they could not. So when the old man asked all of his sons to break the bundle of sticks, each of the sons tried, but none of the son could break the bundle of sticks. Then the old man untied the bundle. He gave one stick to each of his sons and said, "Try to break your sticks." When none of the sons could break the bundle, the old man untied the bundle. He gave one stick to each of them and said, "Now try to break it." Now they broke their sticks very easily. When the old man gave one stick to each of his sons, then each of the son could break the stick very. The old man said, "My boys, you have seen that you cannot break the sticks when they are tied with a string, but you can break them when they are separated. This is the strength of unity. If you are united, nobody will be able to harm you, so do not fight with each other. Try to live in peace, then you will all be happy." So, children, when each of his sons could break the stick very easily, then the old man said that, "Sons, you can see that you could not break the sticks when they were tied with a string, but when they were separated, you could easily break them. So, this is the strength of unity." The old man told his sons that the strength of unity is such that if you are united, nobody will be able to harm you. So, do not fight with each other. Try to live in peace, and then you will all be happy. So, children, I hope you have also understood that you should be always united with your family members, your friends. You should never fight with anybody, because you know that when you are united, nobody will be able to harm you. Now let us read the summary of the story. This story is about an old man who had 3 sons. His sons did not love each other and kept fighting all the time. This made the old man very sad. One day, the old man thought of an idea to teach his sons a lesson. He brought a bundle of sticks and called his sons. He asked them to break the bundle of sticks. Each of the sons tried to break the bundle, but they could not. Then the old man untied the bundle, gave one stick to each of his sons. He then asked his sons to break that single stick. Now they broke it very easily. Then the old man told his sons that if all the 3 of them will stay united just like the bundle of sticks, no one would be able to harm them or hurt them. But if they will be separated just like a single stick, anyone could harm them. In this way, his sons learned the strength of unity. So children, I hope you have understood the chapter well and you have understood what we have learned from the story. Your homework is read the chapter, and children, try to watch the video again and again so that it becomes easy for you to pronounce the words correctly. Thank you so much. We'll be meeting soon with the next part of the video. Thank you.